Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove libraries folder from desktop directory in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies. Click non-enum. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Paste value from description. Change value data to 1. Close and exit Registry editor. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Libraries folder removed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.